Hi angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be filming a hair tutorial, and it's actually a tutorial a lot of you have been asking for, and it's actually the most simple tutorial ever. We're going to be talking about the clean girl look. So this is basically just slicked back hair parted in the middle with a clip in the back of it. Like literally me thinking, wait, is there any more to it? Like that's literally all there is to it. And it's the most simple thing yet. So many of you keep requesting it. So if you want to see how I do it, then keep watching. Okay, so before we get into it, I just want to say a few things that you're going to need in order to achieve this. We're going to need a comb, a pony, and I have some edge tamer here. This is the creme of nature with argan oil. This baby right here. And I have a little designated toothbrush for my, okay, it's looking a little, it has some makeup on it because I use it for my edges sometimes just to slick them out of the way. But that's basically all you need. So, oh, and a hairbrush, sorry. You need a lot of things. Okay, but that is all you need. You want to start off making sure that you don't have any tangles. So we're just going to brush our hair out very quickly. And this brush is the wet brush. I love this brush. I recently discovered it, and I feel like a lot of you are going to be like, Anthea, like that's existed for so long. I'm new to it. So for me, it's like a new discovery in a whole new world. It literally takes out way less of my hair when I come out of the shower and brush it. So it's been a godsend, to be honest. Like I feel like I was like balding basically because of my other brush. It was just pulling out so much, like copious amounts of hair after showering. But anyway, so you need that. Okay, so now is when sometimes I put like hair oil or treatment oil in my hair. I already had used my edge tamer in my hair, so that's why it's already kind of slick. We're gonna start off by tying your hair. So you wanna figure out how high up you really wanna take it. For me, the key here is like I have long hair, so my clean girl look is gonna be a little bit different than other people's. So I'm taking my brush just to help me get this to be a higher pony. Not too high, but like high enough. Wherever you want it. So gather the hair. And this is one of those things that's a lot easier to do in a giant mirror than a small mirror that I have in front of me. Now I'm taking my comb and I'm brushing everything back. So I've seen people do like really complex things with this hairstyle. Like they've done, I don't know, they've slicked it back and then did the part afterwards. I'm not doing it so high up that I need to do the part afterwards, so I'm okay. You could also use a boar bristle brush for this. I have one, but I haven't been using it often for this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just tie it in a pony. So just the norm. I hope I don't look like a weirdo. Okay. I mean, when do I not? Okay, so now you kind of have that pony established. And here is where your little edge tamer is going to come in, and your toothbrush that is designated for just this and not for brushing your teeth ever. Just to clarify. And I'm just using that to I have a lot of flyaways, so anywhere that needs it, and then you could just smooth it in. Okay, so here's where it gets a little bit interesting. I've literally developed this technique because the other ways don't really work for me because my hair is just so long. So if I try to clip it in a regular way, it's just not doing the job. So what I do is I twist my hair, and I'm gonna twist it around and create a bun. So, and I notice like the clean girl look has a little bit of hair like sticking up at the top. So you could choose how tight you want the bun, so that it'll determine how much hair is actually sticking out. So I want it nice and tight. I'm taking a very small clip and just clipping it into place right here. So this is very different than if I was to take a large clip and try to get everything in there, because it just won't work. Then I separate these little wild hairs. Well, they're not wild, but these little free hairs. And I like that they look different every time. Like see those guys? Like they just stick up and they look different every single time. And I love that about it. And I'm just gonna secure it one last time. You can hairspray if you wanna get wild, like if you want it to really not budge. Here it is from this side and here it is from the back. So yeah, this is the look. It's super simple. I do it when I literally am in a rush and I am like a day or 2 days before I'm gonna wash my hair because I like putting treatment oil most of the time. So, or like coconut oil, like you can use that to help slick the hair. But here it is, guys. That's the clean girl look and that's it. Like there's not much to it. It's so simple and it looks so put together, but really you didn't do much to achieve it. And that's what I love about it. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I post every single Sunday and I'm going to post my most recent video right over here for you to check out. I'll see you guys next week.